How to install Bluetooth driver in laptop. If your laptop's Bluetooth isn't working or seems to be missing, here's a quick way to get it installed and running again on Windows 11. First, right-click the Start button. After that, select Device Manager from the menu. From there, look for Bluetooth in the list and tap to expand it. At this point, right-click on the Bluetooth driver listed underneath. Once done, tap Enable if it shows as disabled. Following this, if you don't see a Bluetooth driver at all, click on your laptop's name at the very top of the list to select it. From here, tap Action at the top of the window. At this stage, select Scan for hardware changes from the dropdown. After this, Windows will automatically search for missing drivers and install the Bluetooth one if it's detected. Once completed, check the Bluetooth section again to confirm the driver now shows up. Finally, that's all it takes to get your Bluetooth driver installed and working again on your laptop. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick guides like this one.